Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video, and this video is all about eyelashes. Yes, y'all, I am doing an eyelash review for the company RebalAccess, R-E-B-A-L-A-C-C-E-S-S.
Yes, that's how you spell. I can spell. I got myself there for a second.
So if you want to see the review on these beautiful lashes, go ahead and continue to watch. First, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Okay, you all, so we're gonna hop right into the review without further ado. I'm really horny. So RebalAccess sent me these lashes. She sent me 5 pairs, and she also sent me some tweezers, some scissors for the lashes, like if I need to clip the ends, 2 types of tweezers, and a spoolie. Like, it comes with a whole, she sent me like a whole kit. Like, super awesome. She's super nice and sweet. So I'm going to use my phone because I need to make sure that I'm not messing up anything in her brand. Okay, so her lashes come in 3 collections. She has Uncomplicated, Passion, and Daring. All of these lashes are mink lashes. Okay, so in the 3 collections, I believe she sent me 1 from Uncomplicated, 2 from Passion, and 2 from Daring, right? So the first lash I'm going to show you, most of these lashes I've actually worn. I've only not worn 1 pair. Okay, so these smaller lashes are from the Uncomplicated collection. So the Uncomplicated collection is more of the natural kind of lash, and these ones are called Tiny. And I wore these lashes actually the other day for the first time because I didn't want to wear makeup. I wanted to wear like my BB cream and like a soft look. So I decided to wear those because those are like wearing lashes but not wearing lashes. Like the natural-esque time. That makes sense. So that's those. The next lashes I'm going to show you guys are the ones that I'm wearing right now. The lashes I'm wearing right now are called Love Spell. These are so pretty. These are actually my favorite ones. These are the first ones I put on when I got them a few weeks ago. Like, these have been in a few looks and a few videos. Can you see them? They just look so good on me. Like, these right here, like, I love them. These lashes right here are called Feeling Myself. I've worn these, of course. You can see them jiggling around in here. But these are called Feeling Myself. The next lash I wore actually for a few looks of mine, and these are called Chaos. And then these, oh wait, no, I messed up. Feeling Myself Smooches. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so sorry. These are actually Feeling Myself, and these are Chaos. My fault. So these are Chaos. So these 2 come from the Daring. These 2, the ones I'm wearing now, come from Passion, and then these come from Uncomplicated, which is the Tiny. So those are the 5 lashes that they sent me. You guys can go ahead and purchase. Hit her up on Instagram. I'll actually put her Instagram right here, and it'll also be down in the description box with her links and all that information. If you want to save a little bit of money on her stuff, there I have a code, and the code is LaFleur, which you should know how to spell by now. So yeah, these are the lashes. This is a super quick video. I just wanted to show you guys these lashes. They're so beautiful. They're luscious. They're gorgeous. They're perfect. The band on them is so thin. Like, thin bands, which I like. Dark bands, which I like. They're not flimsy. Like, you know, like when you have the glue in them and you want to pull it out, it doesn't break apart, which I think is really important because I personally will wear a lash one day and then never want to wear it, not again, but I want to wear it like months later. An everyday lash for me is like a kiss lash or something like that. I don't know about you guys, but I rewear lashes. I wear them for about a month or so, you know, with cleaning them and stuff like that. So I think it's important that the band works out well, you know what I mean? So it's funny because I actually have one of her tweezers with me. So she gave me the rose gold ones, and you know, rose gold is my favorite. And these are actually great to put on, if you need to use tweezers and stuff like that. These are longer ones. These are actually like better than the shorter ones with that round kind of bottom, but she also gave me those as well. So I would say this is a great company because every time you purchase a lash or a bunch of lashes, I believe, I can't remember, I think it's like 3 or 5 lashes, you get one of these or something like that, which I think is a really great incentive because sometimes people don't have these things to put their lashes on if you're new to buying lashes and so on and so forth. So please check out my girl Jody at RebalAccess. She is going to take great care of you. And that concludes this review. I hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you tune into my next video. Don't forget to join that flower game by subscribing, hitting the notifications. Don't forget to interact by commenting, liking, and all of that good stuff. Let's start a convo. What are your favorite lashes? What type of lashes do you like? The neutral, natural, long, 25mm, 30mm? Which ones are the ones that you like? Let me know down in the comments below. See you guys in my next video, guys. Mwah.